Hello everyone, myself Dr. Bindya Bansal, practicing dermatologist at Vidyadhar Jaipur. Today I am talking on behalf of Derma Vidya. Today we will be discussing on skin care tips during acne. Acne. It is a common concern that can affect people of all ages. And it's very important to know that you are not alone in dealing with it. In this video, we will guide you through the practical skincare tips to help you navigate your acne journey with confidence. From understanding the basics of acne to selecting the right products, lifestyle modification for a healthier and clearer skin. So first of all, what is acne? It is also called as pimples. So pimples or acne, it is the chronic inflammation of pilosebaceous unit. Now coming to the causes of acne. There are different causes of acne. First of all, hereditary. If your parents are also having an acne during their teenage, then you also have due tendency to develop acne in your teenage. Few drugs may also cause acne, like lithium, or if patient is on any antidepressant. There are other causes of acne, like over scrubbing of the face, doing excessive makeup with oily products. Women facing PCOD have tendency to develop acne. High glycemic diet can cause acne. Please avoid milk and dairy products, chocolates if you are having acne. Stress can be a trigger of acne. So these were the causes of acne. Now coming to the types of acne. Acne may be mild, moderate or severe. Mild acne consists of blackheads or whiteheads. Moderate acne consists of small papules or pustules. And in severe acne, there may be seen cysts or nodules. All of us get acne, so it's very common, and that's why it is called as acne vulgaris. About 85% of people get acne in 15 to 25 years of age. Now coming to the skincare routine. Each skin type is unique. There is no single solution for all skin types. But everyone should avoid popping or picking at your acne because it may cause inflammation and marks. Use a suitable cleanser, toner and moisturizer for acne-prone skin. The cleanser should be mild, fragrance-free, and it may contain salicylic acid or mandelic acid. An alcohol-free toner can be used to maintain the natural pH of skin and to keep the pores clean. Finally, a water-based moisturizer can be used. Sunscreen is also must for the acne patients, but make sure that it is non-comedogenic physical sunscreen with titanium dioxide and zinc, which helps in drying the acne as well. Don't do excessive exfoliation as it may cause abrasion to the acne-prone skin, and which lead to further scarring and damage to the inflamed skin. Select makeup that does not worsen acne. And in females having PCOD, it is very important to modify your lifestyle. Avoid high sugary diet and please do yoga or whatever gym or exercise daily 5 days a week for 40 minutes. That will help to reduce acne. I hope I have been able to give you an overview on skincare tips during acne. If you find this video useful or for more such videos, check out the website dermavidya.com. As a doctor, my advice for any skin and hair related issues, please do not self-medicate yourself and please get in touch with an expert dermatologist nearby you. Thank you.
For more such videos, visit or log into dermavidya.com.